Welcome to Finance Deep Dive. Have you ever looked at the world of side hustles and just wondered, why does it feel like so many people are running on a hamster wheel for pennies? Well, today we're going to tear that wheel apart. We've got the blueprint to get you off it and build a real $3,000 a month income stream.
Okay, so let's get right into it. The gig economy. It's massive. It promises all this freedom, all this flexibility. But you know what? There's a huge disconnect between the size of that promise and what most people are actually bringing home.
I mean, just look at this number. We're talking about a market that's projected to be worth almost $140 billion by 2033. That's not just big, that's an economic juggernaut. So the money, it's definitely out there.
But here's the paradox, right? More than half of the entire global workforce has dipped their toes into freelance work. You'd think with that many people involved, the earnings would be incredible. Well, not exactly.
$200. That is the median monthly income. That means half of everyone doing a side hustle is making less than that. And what's even crazier, that number is actually down from $250 the year before. For most people, it's a race to the bottom.
So the big question is, how do you become the person earning $3,000, not $200? How do you escape that trap? Don't worry, we have the blueprint, and we're about to break down every single step. First things first, let's talk about getting those first few wins. These are the absolute easiest ways to start to get some quick cash in your pocket and build some momentum. Think of these as the entry-level jobs on your way to becoming the CEO of your own income. First up, website and app testing. This one is amazing because your opinion is literally the product. Big companies will pay you just to click around on their websites and apps and say what you're thinking out loud. It is one of the most accessible hustles out there, period. And you can see the payouts aren't bad at all. Places like user testing can pay you $10, even $30 for just 15 to 20 minutes of your time. But here's the pro tip. If you give really good, clear feedback, you'll start getting invited to these high-paying live conversations. And that's where the real money is.
Okay, next up, referral programs. This is all about getting paid for stuff you probably already do for free, recommending products and services you genuinely love. It's like being a word-of-mouth marketer, except now you get a cut.
And the rewards can be pretty sweet. We're talking everything from a quick $50 cash back to, get this, up to $1,000 from a single Charles Schwab referral. The secret here is to focus on the high-value programs you actually use.
All right, let's bring it back home. The next step is all about tapping into the needs right in your own neighborhood. We're going to turn your local community into a legit income source. You see, these local gig platforms are basically matchmakers. They connect you with people in your area who need help with, well, pretty much anything. Pet sitting, moving help, handyman work. You're solving real problems for people, and you get paid right away. But the trick is to avoid what I call the commodity trap. Yeah, you can do basic delivery, but that's a high-volume, low-pay game. The real money is in the more specialized services, where your skills or trustworthiness command a much higher rate. Hey, just a quick pause. If you're getting value from this content, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It really does motivate us to keep digging deep and making these. Okay, let's get back to it.
All right, time to level up again. This next one takes a bit more of a business brain, but the payoff can be huge. We're talking about becoming a professional treasure hunter in the aisles of Target and Walmart.
It's called retail arbitrage, and the idea couldn't be simpler. Buy low, sell high. You're basically hunting for those deep discounts and clearance items in stores and then flipping them online on places like Amazon for a nice profit. Now, this isn't just a guessing game. It's all about the data. You hunt for deals, use an app on your phone to scan the barcode and see exactly what it's selling for online, and this is the most important part, you factor in every single fee before you buy. And seriously, you have to watch out for the fees. They can absolutely eat up your profit if you're not careful. Between what the platform takes, shipping costs, storage, a huge chunk of your selling price can just vanish. Know your numbers always.
Okay, now it's time to climb to the very top of the mountain. This is the peak of our blueprint. This is where you stop earning a few bucks per task and start commanding thousands of dollars per project. It's time to become a digital specialist.
Digital freelancing is all about taking a skill you have, maybe it's writing, graphic design, managing social media, you name it, and packaging it up as a service for clients all over the world using platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find them.
And this is how you really scale. You stop trading your hours for dollars, and you create a value ladder.
You start a new client with a small, low-risk project to build their trust. Then you knock it out of the park and pitch them a big, high-ticket project. And from there, you turn them into a monthly retainer client for consistent, predictable income.
So, we've covered a lot, right? Website testing, referrals, local gigs, flipping, and high-ticket freelancing. But how do all these puzzle pieces fit together to get you to that $3,000 a month goal? Well, the secret isn't to just pick one, it's to combine them.
I want you to think of this as building an income fortress. Your high-skilled digital freelancing, that's the foundation. It brings in the big money. Your referral programs are the catalyst, adding easy, passive income on top. Your local gigs, that's your buffer to fill in any slow months. And website testing, that's your safety net for when you need some quick cash right now.
And that right there is the key takeaway from all of this. The real path to a serious side income isn't about finding that one perfect hustle. It's about building a smart, diversified portfolio of hustles that work together. That's what makes your income resilient.
Hey, if this blueprint was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives just like this one.
So now you have the blueprint. You have the entire plan laid out in front of you. The only question left is, what's the very first brick you're going to lay to build your income fortress?